Hello guys. So this is the part 5 of the current affair series from July 7th to 17th July. So let's start the current affair. Before I start, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, share to your friend. That will help me to make good videos. So let's start. This is news from July 8. It states with a vision of to transform India into a skilled nation. This is one of the biggest vision of our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi, that we should create a skilled nation. But to create a skilled nation, we need to give training to our youth. So National Skill Development Corporation and Microsoft on 8th July announced a strategic partnership aimed at providing digital skill to over 1 lakh youth in country over next 12 months. So that's a good news. Microsoft and National Skill Development Corporation will give 1 lakh youth will give skill to 1 lakh youth over next 12 months. So let's do other current affair. So there is a payment bank called Fino Payment Bank. I hope you know how many payments banks are there. Please do comment how many payments bank are there in India. So Fino Payments Bank actually created something called Bhavishya Saving Account, and this is actually meant for child. So what that child will get? Child will get a free platinum RuPay debit card, okay, and no commitment to maintain any minimum monthly average balance, okay, and all the charges like all the ATM charge and internet banking charge will be of nominal annual subscription charge. It will be very less. Deposit, withdrawal, receive fund, shop and to do more with your account without any hassle at over 85,000 access point, and you will also receive free SMS alert for each transaction. So Bhavishya Saving Account is started by Fino Payment Bank. Okay, so this Formula 1 race, that is Austrian Grand Prix Formula 1 race, was won by Valtteri Bottas, okay, and basically actually Hamilton suffers penalty in that race. That's why Valtteri Bottas actually won F1 Austrian Grand Prix. Though I don't follow F1 Austrian Grand Prix, those who follow this F1 race, please they can comment what how Hamilton got. Okay, so Indian Railway set up 1.7 megawatt solar power plant in Madhya Pradesh, Bina. So Madhya Pradesh, Bina district, Indian Railway started 1.7 megawatt solar power plant, and the 1.7 megawatt solar power plant has been set up as a pilot project by Indian Railway, and it actually collaborated with Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited on railway land near track. So Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited and Indian Railway created 1.7 megawatt solar power plant in Madhya Pradesh, Bina. So next is there was a tiger census, and good news is our tiger population has increased. It's actually very good news, and we have 2,967 tigers in India, and maximum number is in Madhya Pradesh, which number is 526, Karnataka 524, Uttarakhand 442. So the difference is only 2. Remember this thing. So but Madhya Pradesh has maximum number of tiger in. Okay, there is a girl called Malala Yousafzai. I hope you know him. Not him, actually her. So Malala Yousafzai Day, that is Malala Day, is commemorated on July 12th. July 12th is also known as Malala Day. Is the actually birthday of Malala Yousafzai. I hope I'm pronouncing right. To why they created Malala Day? To honor women and children right activists around the world. What happened on October 9, 2012? Malala was shot in the head by Taliban gunmen after she publicly advocated for education of girls. So she actually advocated that every girl should be educated, and Talibans did not like it, and hence they shot her in head. Somehow she survived. Okay, next is this is very funny actually. Okay, I'm very sorry, this is Mukherjee. Soham, not Soham Mukherjee. Soham Mukherjee. I'll write again. Soham Mukherjee. I think he's from Delhi only. Though the name is Bengali, but he is from Delhi. But please do confirm. So Indian teenager in UAE makes 101 one leg hops and find place in Guinness Book of World Records. Next is, look, there is something called Malabar naval exercise, not Naxal exercise. It's Malabar naval exercise, which is between India, US and Japan. So 3 countries primarily participate in this exercise. But from now I think India has decided, or India will decide, that even Australia can join this Malabar naval exercise. When exact announcement will come, I'll let you know. Okay, this is same thing. Okay, next is about Directorate of Defense Research and Development, DDR&D of Israel Ministry of Defense. So this is not news from India, this is news from Israel. And Israel Aerospace Industries has successfully launched OFEK-16 reconnaissance satellite. So it's like a reconnaissance satellite launched by Israel Aerospace Industry and Israel's Directorate of Defense Research and Development, that is DDR&D. Okay, so if someone asks you OFEK-16 is from which country, it is from Israel. Okay, there is a chairman of Maruti Suzuki, that is RC Bhargava. He authored a book, Getting Competitive, a Practitioner's Guide for India. Not that important, but you should know. He wrote a book, Getting Competitive, a Practitioner's Guide for India, from his experience as a policy maker and a leading industrialist. The book will be published by HarperCollins India. Okay, there is a COVID-19 scenario in whole world, and the problem with this COVID-19, you cannot move out, right? So this tourism industry has suffered a lot due to COVID-19. It is said that $1.2 trillion is lost due to COVID-19, and which is equivalent to 1.5% of global GDP. Think about this. And this is actually reported by UNCTAD, UNCT. Now Google is going to invest 33,737 crore in Geo to develop entry level smartphone, because look, smartphone market in India, we have good market of smartphone, and all the good smartphones are from Chinese company, and so many companies are trying to tap this Indian market, because there is always anti-China sentiment in whole India, and hence other countries company trying to tap this India's market, and hence Google is going to invest around 33,737 crore in Geo to develop entry level smartphone. Okay, so this I have already told you. IIT Kanpur has developed a sanitizer, ultraviolet sanitizer named शुद्ध कर देगा सबको in 15 minutes में. Okay, so guys, that's it from my side. The 7th July to 17th July current affair has been finished, and I hope you like it. Please do watch all the videos. It will be some sort of revision video, and please do subscribe to channel. And we are also teaching JPSCs, BPSC courses. So please do subscribe, and please do enroll in our WhatsApp as well as Telegram group. So bye bye, enjoy.